gratitude from the core of your heart brings lots of changes and tremendous changes in your surroundings and environment. And
Okay.
of course, the environment changes to the positive side of yours. So you also feel happy. So I have experienced it, and it's a wonderful experience. And we need to practice. We need to inbuild. We need to imbibe this gratitude feeling. I mean, every moment, every moment. And be thankful to the universe for all little things that we are bestowed with, because in this times of crisis there's so many people who are deprived of the things, and I think we should develop this practice as much as we can. We have to imbibe all these things in ourselves. Yes, I have experienced wonderful things. Hello ma'am, good evening. Sorry. Hello.
Good evening, ma'am. Sorry, I'm just trying to engage.
Who is this? Meenakshi. Wow.
It's so nice, ma'am. So nice. Yes. It is
Good to hear that. I'm
positive.
so happy that you shared this here. I was so thrilled, you know.
Yes, thank you so much, ma'am.
अभी मेरे हॉटस्पॉट से लगा दिया है. Light उसने बंद किया कि it has already gone. It has gone. It's okay. I've started with hotspot. Grace of God, it's there. Don't worry. Actually, my son is also not there, so everybody's worried कि Jio उसके पास है. So then मैंने कहा God is great. अब कोई बात नहीं, मैंने दरवाजा खोल लिया है, खुली हवा में बैठे हैं, and I put my mobile out and hotspot से चल रहा है. That's on. That's okay. It's absolutely
Wonderful, ma'am.
okay. So good evening, everyone. Meenakshi, good evening. Tejaswini,
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening.
Billionaire
Good evening.
Nitesh. Wow, Nitesh ने अपना कल से नाम Billionaire Nitesh रख लिया है. Good to see that.
Yeah.
Dhwani, good evening. Ishneet, good evening. Jyoti, good evening. Lalita, marvelous. Manvi, good evening. Wow. Welcome, Manvi. Marvelous, Manvi.
Good evening, good evening.
Hello, yes, Sarita.
Hi, good evening, Monica.
For a prosperous and healthy Savita. Wow. Prosperous Vidha. Very nice. Tejaswini, I want your adjective. Great.
Good evening, ma'am.
I'll come up with some adjective.
Yes, you need to come out of with some good adjective which actually describes you, as mine is motivated Monica. And Nitesh ne bhi apna likh diya billionaire. And Manvi, marvelous Manvi, great. I would really see these words, because this will inspire you more and more. Whenever you will stop, you will say, no, Manvi, aise nahi hai. Right? So you are the higher version of what you are right now. Great. Welcome to good to see you here.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Thank you so much.
let us start. Okay.
I have taken my adjectives. Thank you for telling this, and I'm feeling good.
Good. And thank you, Tejaswini, for taking care of Manvi. It is a wonderful initiative that you have taken. I'm so happy. And thank you.
Thank you so much.
Now you see, when you support others, how much happy you are.
Yes, a lot.
You got the answer of your question you asked me on that day?
Yes, definitely.
Great. So, welcome all of you to the magical session by Magical and Motivated Monica. And the grateful heart is a magnet for miracles. And every day, miracles are happening in our lives, Sabki life mein ho rahe hai. Just look there, it is happening. I was so happy to see Meenakshi ma'am is sharing her experience. I'm so happy for you, Meenakshi. And I'm sure your daughter will be soon out of that thing also. I'm 100% sure. Lots of blessings to her. Okay, let us start with the prayer. Let's close our eyes and fold our hands. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. I love you, God. I love you, universe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for giving me this beautiful day. Thank you, thank you, thank you for giving me this beautiful moment. Thank you for giving me these beautiful magical sessions, which are creating magic in my life. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for and bless all the doctors, all the nurses, all the staff of hospitals who are taking care of the patients, and we sprinkle magic dust to each and every hospital in the world. Let us put it for in the world, all the hospitals of the world. Just imagine there is a earth. In earth, you are sprinkling magic dust to the complete earth, thinking that you are giving all the magic dust to all the patients of the whole universe. And we are praying for their well-being. Sprinkle golden magic dust on them, and we are praying for their well-being. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for giving me wonderful parents. They take care of me. They are giving me everything what I need. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for my siblings. They are part of my life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for the mentors that I am having, the teachers, the school teachers, the college teachers, the mentors who are showing me the right path. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for all my failures that I had. And each and every failure is giving me a learning. It is giving me lessons, and I'm learning from them. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe, for my perfect health. I'm healthy. My cells are healthy. My organs are healthy. I am healthy, fit, strong, and active. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, God. Thank you, universe. I'm one with God, and God is one with me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I acknowledge each one of you for participating in this magical session. And I'm sure magic is going to happen in each and every of your life. Thank you so much. Bless you all. Great. So yesterday's practice that was given was that you need to write down 10 blessings. And after writing 10 blessings, you will read each blessing and then say, thank you, thank you, thank you. Then you need to write 3 dreams that you have. And out of 3 dreams, you know how to write the dreams, you know. So today we'll be talking about dreams and then how we are going to manifest them. Then yesterday, the homework was choose 3 persons in your life who has made difference in your life and show gratitude to them. Now tell me, and at night, magic stone, you are going to take that night ritual. Okay, who has the experience to share from yesterday's homework? Who will share?
मोनिका, मैंने जब ये एक्सरसाइज की ना तो मैंने मोबाइल खोल लिया था. मोबाइल में डीपी रहता है ना,
हाँ.
तो सामने डीपी इमेज को रख के तो मेरे तो 3 नहीं 10 हो गए.
Very nice, very nice, very good. So what is this idea is good. What happened? क्या हुआ? क्या आया मन में?
मतलब कभी ऐसा सोचा नहीं था कि उन्होंने कितना किया है हमारे लिए. कभी थैंक यू ही नहीं बोला. बाय डिफॉल्ट मोड पे लोगों ने बहुत मदद की जब कुछ काम नहीं बन रहा हो, अपने आप से ही. तो हमने कभी इतना अच्छी तरह थैंक यू बोला ही नहीं।
Absolutely. And you feel so good about them. अगर वो लोग ना होते तो
हाँ
लाइफ क्या होती?
हाँ,
Yeah,
ये है।
very very true. You know, we meet people in three ways. We meet people either by a reason or by a season, and the third is your lifetime. आपकी जिंदगी में कुछ लोग आते हैं रीजन के लिए। रीजन का मतलब है आप कहीं जा रहे हो, रास्ते में मिल गए और उसने कुछ बोला जो जिंदगी में आपका जिंदगी टर्न कर दी, जिसने एक डायलॉग ने जिंदगी टर्न कर दी। सो दे आर इन योर लाइफ बिकॉज देयर इज सम रीजन बिहाइंड इट। गॉड और यूनिवर्स ने आपको दिया है जो कि आपकी जिंदगी पलट देते हैं एक सेकंड के अंदर, मतलब एक डायलॉग में और एक चीज के अंदर। And the second people are who are for the season. Season means when we are meeting, you know, when हम 3 महीने के लिए मिले या 6 महीने के लिए मिले या 2 दिन के लिए मिले। ट्रेन में जाते हो आप, 2 दिन के ट्रेन में सफर किया, सुबह बैठे शाम को है, बीच दिन से फ्रेंडशिप हो जाती है, एंड यू नो sometimes they are with you, sometimes they are not with you. तो कुछ particular season के, it could be 1 day, it could be 1 week, it could be 6 months, it could be 2 years, क्योंकि कंपनीज हम ज्वाइन करते हैं, छोड़ते हैं उनका, तो दे आर विद यू फॉर सम सीजनल काइंड ऑफ अ प्लेस, बट डेफिनेटली दे आर टीचिंग यू समथिंग और द अदर। एवरीथिंग दैट इज हैपनिंग इन योर लाइफ, देयर इज अ मीनिंग बिहाइंड इट। अगर आप देखो तो हर कोई आपको एक लेसन देने आया है।
और कल आपने जो लास्ट में एक्सरसाइज दी थी ना,
हाँ,
तो मैं लिख रहा था पर आपका सेशन खत्म हो गया, तो मैंने अपने सेल्फ एक्सप्रेशन में लिखा था उसको,
हाँ,
पोएट्री में।
अच्छा,
तो वो मैं सुनाना चाह रहा हूँ, जो
बिल्कुल।
कल की लास्ट है। जादू था जीवन में पर भूल गए थे, जादू था जीवन में पर भूल गए थे, रोमांच भी था कहीं खो गया था, फिर मन के किसी कोने से एक आवाज आई, थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू कहती, सामने स्क्रीन पर मोनिका आई, साथ में आशाओं का जादू लाई। सबसे पहले मुझसे मेरी मुलाकात हो गई, जो धूल चढ़ी थी शीशे पर, थैंक यू की बारिश सुन गई। दूसरा, सपनों के बादल मंडराने लगे, कुछ जादू के रूप में सामने आने लगे। तीसरा, पंखों में उड़ान की पावर आ गई, कुछ ऐसा स्प्रिंकल किया इस जर्नी ने, मोनिका सब पर छा गई। Thank you.
It's wonderful, beautiful poem, beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful.
So beautiful. Really, excellent.
बहुत बढ़िया है।
Thank you, thank you.
Nice.
Thank you.
Must put it on the group. Such beautiful
Yes.
lines.
Yes, beautiful lines.
Beautiful lines. Beautiful lines. Thank you so much. Wow, what an expression, yeah. It's amazing. It's amazing.
Yeah,
Thank you.
amazing.
Thank you. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed and fortunate to have you in our group, you know. Amazing.
अभी मैं ये फील कर रहा हूँ कि जैसे कहते हैं ना, अंधे का कभी एक्सीडेंट नहीं होता। क्यों नहीं होता? अंधे का एक्सीडेंट क्यों नहीं होता?
क्योंकि ना अंधा देख सकता है ना, हाँ देख नहीं सकता है ना।
नहीं, वो अपनी उंगली है ना, आंख वाले को थमा देता है, और
हाँ।
रोड क्रॉस करनी कुछ तो उसका टेंशन है जिसकी आंख है। तो अभी इस सेशन में यही हो रहा है, इन्होंने मुझे हमें इतनी पावर दे दी कि बड़ा सोच लो सोच लो सोच लो। मैं ठीक है, टेंशन आपका है,
बिल्कुल
पार
बिल्कुल,
आपको लगाना है, हम तो बस उंगली पकड़ के चल रहे हैं।
आपकी पोएम भी हमारी सबके लिए इंस्पिरेशन है। रियली, मोनिका मैम हैज रियली अ ग्रेट सोर्स ऑफ
तो अब
इंस्पिरेशन।
मैंने तो बड़ा सोच लिया है, अब आपकी टेंशन है, जिम्मेदारी है।
बिल्कुल, हाँ। हमने सौंप दिया मोनिका मैम के हाथ।
हाँ।
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. It was amazing. Thank you so much. You know, and I'm sure that is why I told you this is Magic 30. And when we are here, I am committed that you will get your dreams. Only one thing, whatever assignment I'm giving you, just keep doing that. That's it. Nothing else. You have, when I say look into your life, just look into your life. And I say do gratitude, do gratitude. ये हो ही नहीं सकता कि मैजिक ना हो आपकी लाइफ में, पॉसिबल ही नहीं है। And I'm with you in your journey. I'm with you for your miracles to happen. I'm with you for your magics happening in your life. I'm with you to get your dreams on. क्योंकि मेरे ड्रीम्स आप लोगों के ड्रीम्स के साथ जुड़े हुए हैं। So that is what I'm on with. Great. Thank you so much. Okay, so again, gratitude, gratitude, gratitude. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You know, that is the dose you need to take every day without any break, without any hesitation. Gratitude ज़्यादा होगा, fear कम होगा, tension कम होगी, सब बाकी जो negative thoughts हैं उनको पीछे हटा दो. Only gratitude को पीते रहो, पीते रहो, पीते रहो, पीते रहो, पीते रहो. You will see the magic happening in your life. Okay, your mind is like a factory. आपके उसके अंदर बहुत कुछ जाएगा, मीडिया का भी जाएगा, ये गलत हो रहा है, इसने इसको मार दिया. अब it is you who has to choose what final product you want. अब आपके पास मोबाइल है, मोबाइल में आपके यूट्यूब्स हैं, आपने कुछ देखना शुरू किया, अपना देखना, पता नहीं कब 3 घंटे बीत गए. उस 3 घंटे के अंदर आप कुछ और अपने ड्रीम का कर सकते थे, so that you could have, you know, reach somewhere. Gratitude कर सकते. So this is you who has to decide how to go ahead, like in your life, you know. So final product आपको कैसे चाहिए? Whether you waste your time or you taste your time. So better you taste your time. ठीक है?
मैम मेरे को कुछ शेयर करना है.
हाँ जी, बोलो.
Yesterday evening actually I was going through FOMO. मतलब मेरे को एक कोर्स लेना था लेकिन मैं नहीं ले रही थी क्योंकि मेरे को इतना पैसा खर्च करके नहीं लेना था. Like I have already invested a lot. तो कल क्या हुआ था, मैंने अपने आप को सोच लिया कि ये फोमो जो है इतनी आसानी से तो नहीं जाने वाला. तो एक काम कर सकते हैं, एक छोटा सा नैप लेने का. फिर मैंने ग्रेटिट्यूड शो किया कि थैंक गॉड एटलीस्ट आई एम एबल टू स्लीप, कि मेरे को जब भी नींद आना चाहे इमीडिएटली आ जाती है. और आई जस्ट स्लेप्ट फॉर हार्डली 5 to 10 minutes आई सपोज. जैसे ही उठी आई फॉरगॉट अबाउट इट टोटली. मेरे को वो याद ही नहीं आया कि वो क्या है. मतलब वो नींद ने पूरा फोमो को खा लिया अच्छे से. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी आफ्टर वेकिंग अप सिंस देन. थैंक यू सो मच. हेलो. I guess Monica ma'am आएंगी, बस let's wait.
Hello. Sorry, ये मेरा
Hello.
Yeah, I heard everything of yours. Congratulations. This is how you are winning over yourself, you know. So when you
Yes.
called me up in the morning, I could sense the spark in you. Otherwise, जब भी call करते हो, I could hear some or the other, you know, ये reason, वो reason. So lots of combination of reasons were there all the time. So, but when you called up, it was like, you know, actual Tejaswini speaking, which was full of enthusiasm and full of focus. अगर ये आपको नहीं पता, but I could actually sense that. Congratulations for your new birth.
Thank you so much. और आज सुबह उठने के बाद तो और भी बिल्कुल नहीं रहा. मतलब जो भी 0.5% था वो भी नहीं रहा सुबह उठने के बाद. तो मतलब पॉजिटिव में उड़ गया. Thank you so much.
And I was praying this thing for you to happen, you know. Do you know that? You don't know.
Oh,
I know
thank
it's in
you
my
so
prayer.
much.
I know that.
Thank you so much.
The most important thing that you need to do in your life is self-love. You have to say these words. Please snapshot खींच लो. रोज ये बोलना है आप लोगों ने. I love my life. I love my heart. I love my body. I love my home. I love my mind. I love my little quirks. I love my sense of humor. I love my eyes. I love my family. I love to feel inspired. I love to inspire others. I love to feel vibrant. I love to meditate. I love to sleep. I love to drink water. I love to dance, I love to laugh, I love to create, I love to love my soul and I love you. इसमें से जितने याद रहे ना उतने कर लेना.
Ma'am, I want to share something.
Yes, please.
पहले तो थैंक्स टू यू, थैंक्स टू तेजस्विनी. आपने मेरे बारे में इतना सोचा, आपने तेजस्विनी को कहा, तेजस्विनी शी कॉल्ड मी और उन्होंने मुझे गाइड किया. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू दोनों को. मैम, यू आर जस्ट अ ब्लेसिंग इन माय लाइफ. आपको नहीं पता, आप एक ब्लेसिंग हो. एक कहते हैं ना गार्डियन एंजल होता है हमारे साथ, आप वो गार्डियन एंजल हो एक तरह का. और एक आज मुझे, जैसे आपने उनसे बात की, उन्होंने मुझे गाइड किया, तो मैंने वो चीजें क्रिएट की, तो मुझे भी बड़ा अच्छा लगा. और आई वाज थिंकिंग, बिकॉज कल मेरी आपसे बात हुई थी और मैं कल से उसी चीज को कर रही थी, एंड आई एम जस्ट इन द ग्रेटिट्यूड कि मुझे ये करना है. आपने जब मुझे बताया मैजिक डस्ट कर, ऐसे कर, सारा वो सब मैंने किया. और आज तेजस्विनी ने मुझे कॉल करके वो सारा बताया प्रोसीजर, दैट आई हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस एंड दिस, एंड आई डिड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. थैंक यू सो मच. और इसके साथ एक चीज और छोटी सी है, बड़ी छोटी सी. यू नो आई एम ऑन द हेल्थियर साइड, राइट? तो जैसे ही आपने वो वाटर वाला बताया था, मैं जैसे पानी पीती हूँ या ग्रीन टी पीती हूँ, तो आई यूज्ड टू से थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, आई लव यू माय वाटर, थैंक यू फॉर माय वेट लॉस, थैंक यू फॉर दिस. और सीरियसली कल मैंने इतना ज्यादा खाया और मुझे डर लग रहा था मेरा आज वेट बढ़ जाएगा, बट मेरा आज वेट कम हुआ पड़ा था. and I'm so much amazed कि ये कैसे हो गया. और मुझे
I don't do any exercise. I don't do anything. I just stand in front of the mirror. मैं कहती हूँ, beautiful Monica, you are so sweet. You are so beautiful. You have a flat stomach. You have a firm flat stomach, and your weight is 58. Wow! और मेरा weight 58 से ना ऊपर बढ़ता है ना नीचे जाता है, exact 50.
और मैं सीरियसली कल रात को मैंने लेट ईटिंग की, सारा कुछ किया, और मुझे सुबह यही डर लग रहा था. मैंने कहा आज मेरा वेट भाई बढ़ जाएगा. जब मैंने स्केल पे मैंने सुबह देखा एंड आई वाज अमेज्ड, ओह माय गॉड ये कैसे हो गया. तो मैंने फिर ग्रेटिट्यूड शो किया पानी को, ग्रीन टी को. थैंक यू गॉड, थैंक यू यूनिवर्स, क्योंकि मुझे, आपको पता है कि मुझे ये कम करना है और मुझे बढ़ाना नहीं है. तो इस चीज में बहुत ज्यादा वो थी. बट सीरियसली ये मैजिक ही है जो सारा कुछ है. आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू यू, really thankful to you.
Thank you, Manvi. Thank you for taking it on. You know, I really wanted you to come to the sessions. You know, that is why I called you up specially. कि मैं 30 के बाद और नहीं लूंगी लोग. I want people. You know, Manvi is a person who's such a wonderful person. You know, she was with us. You know, in our company. You know, और अब फिर then she has to resign, तो she went out. तो but मेरे लिए ये बहुत बड़ा बात थी कि she's a divorcee and I really want to change her life. You know. So इसकी बेटी है, बहुत प्यारी सी बेटी है, जस. एंड उसकी फोटोग्राफ्स देखे मुझे बहुत लगता था, कंसर्न था मुझे इसके लिए कि इसकी जिंदगी में मुझे डिफरेंस लाना है. एंड आई कॉल्ड हर फॉर द सेशंस. शी अटेंडेड फ्यू सेशंस एंड देन शी वेंट बैक. फिर मैंने इसको दोबारा कॉल किया, कम बैक. देन शी केम. आई एम हैप्पी दैट यू टुक द चार्ज ऑफ योर लाइफ. थैंक यू सो मच मानवी.
थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच मैम.
और मैम मैं एक और बात करना चाहूंगी, इफ यू डोंट माइंड, जस्ट वेरी स्मॉल थिंग. मानवी मैम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर responding and immediately creating stuff whatever I said, because you know you are the first person who has taken charge and action in such a fastest way. मतलब आपसे इतने कम टाइम में किसी ने immediate responsibility लिया नहीं है. So I'm also thankful to universe that I could meet such a person who is independently superwoman. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Tejaswini. Thank you so much.
Great.
Yeah.
So today is a wonderful session, that is make all your wishes come true. Let us create our dream list, you know, in reality. Let us create our reality. जो भी हमारे dreams हैं, wishes हैं, उनको हम reality में कैसे turn कर सकते हैं. So imagination is the true magic carpet. और आइंस्टाइन ने कहा था इमेजिनेशन इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन नॉलेज. जो मैंने आपसे कल एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल शेयर किया था कि एक कोच ने जब 3 ग्रुप्स बनाए, पहले ग्रुप को बोला कि आप कोर्ट पे प्रैक्टिस करोगे सिर्फ, दूसरे ग्रुप को बोला आप सिर्फ विजुअलाइज करोगे, और तीसरे ग्रुप को बोला आप कुछ नहीं करोगे. एंड व्हाट वाज द रिजल्ट? जिन्होंने कोर्ट में प्रैक्टिस की उनकी इंप्रूवमेंट हुई 24%. जिन्होंने सिर्फ विजुअलाइज किया, प्रैक्टिस नहीं की, कोर्ट में नहीं आए, सिर्फ सोचा, इमेजिन किया कि वो प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, बास्केट में बॉल डाल रहे हैं, प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं और मैच खेल रहे हैं, उनका 23% इंप्रूवमेंट था। और जिन्होंने कुछ नहीं किया था उनका कुछ नहीं था। तो दैट मीन्स द विजुअलाइजेशन हैज वेरी मच इम्पैक्ट ऑन द ड्रीम्स दैट वी कैन सी। जो हम सोचते हैं वो हम कर पाते हैं, हम उसको सच कर सकते हैं। द ओनली थिंग इज with what intensity we are doing. So today we'll be talking about what kind of intensity we should put it on, you know. So let us start. And ये सारे लोग, इन्होंने विजुअलाइजेशन से अपने आप को यहाँ पे एस्टैब्लिश किया है। चाहे वो अंशुमन हो, आपको ये पता ही है कि अक्षय कुमार ऑलरेडी ही गेट्स अप अराउंड 3:34, you know. So these are the people who have created their own life. उनके हाथ में प्लेटर नहीं दिया गया, उन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी अपने फर्श से शुरू की है। तो they are the live examples with us, you know. और इनफैक्ट धीरूभाई अंबानी का भी यही था सीन कि उन्होंने न्यूज़पेपर भी बेचे, उन्हें बहुत, बट ही हैज दैट विजन ऑफ बिकमिंग अ बिजनेसमैन, you know. उनकी मैंने बायोग्राफी पढ़ी, I was amazed to see his, efforts. Amazing. So you can do anything. The only thing is you need to make sure that you do effort. अपने dream big रखो, क्योंकि हमारा मेन आम आदमी की जिंदगी जीना चाहते हैं, उसी में बहुत कंफर्टेबल हैं। अरे ये क्यों करें, अरे वो क्यों करें, अरे कुछ नहीं, आप अपना ड्रीम बिग रखो and just keep on taking action for your dream. Don't think about ये क्या कह रहा है, वो क्या कह रहा है, क्योंकि आप लोगों की बातों में आके अपने आप को रोक देते हैं, अपने आप को ब्लेम करते हैं कि मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा, क्योंकि दूसरा बंदा आपको ऊपर बैठते देख नहीं सकता और वो बार बार ही बोलेगा अरे ये क्या कर रहा है, वो टोकेगा भी, सब कुछ करेगा, एंड यू कम उनकी बातों में आके आप अपना भी रोक देते हो। सो यू आर द ओनली वन हु स्टॉप्स योरसेल्फ इन टेकिंग एक्शंस, you know. So thank you so much, Tejaswini, for taking it on, the reading part. So let me start the chapter. I'll show you the chapter.
Yes, thank you. Thank you each and everyone, whoever is joining us today. Thank you, Monica ma'am, for letting me read today. And I have opened this. So I guess it is make all your wishes come true. That one, right? Okay, one word changes everything. Starting.
Yeah, make all your wishes come true. Let us start.
Make all your wishes come true. Imagination is the true magic carpet. If you have been following the magical practices day by day, you have now built an amazing foundation by practicing gratitude for everything you have received and continue to receive in your life. But today is an exciting day because you are going to begin to use gratitude's magical power for your dreams and desires. I'm able to listen an echo from someone.
You are audible, don't worry.
Okay. Savita ji, please mute your mic. Thank you. Hundreds of native cultures through the centuries have traditionally given thanks for what they want before they receive it, creating elaborate ceremonies to put as much as energy they could into giving thanks. The Egyptians have celebrated the flooding of the Nile River since ancient times to ensure the continual flow of the water in the river. American Indians and Australian Aborigines performed rain dances. Various African tribes perform ceremonies for their food before they hunt for it. And the very nature of prayer in every culture and religion is giving thanks before having received what is desired. The law of attraction says that Like attracts like, which means you must form in your mind a likeness or an image of what you want. Then, to attract your desire to you, you have to feel as though it's yours, so that how you feel is also like how you want, how you would feel when you had what you wanted. I'm sorry, I'm just reading this again. Then, to attract your desire to you, you have to feel as though it's yours, so that how you feel is also like how you would feel when you had what you wanted. The easiest way to do that is to be grateful for what you want before you have received it. If it never occurred to you before to use, if it never occurred to you before to use gratitude to receive what you want, you have now discovered another of its magical powers. The very words in the Holy Scriptures promise exactly that whoever has gratitude will be given more in the future, and he or she will have an abundance. Gratitude is something you must have before you can receive, not something you simply do after something good has happened. Most people are grateful after they receive something good, but to make all your wishes come true and change your entire life by filling it with riches in every area, you must be grateful before and after.
Remember, whenever you want something from the universe, so you have to say thank you, thank you, thank you. आप पहले ही वो gratitude show करोगे before receiving, and you will imagine as you have already received. Before and after दोनों चीजें होना बहुत जरूरी है. अब आप देखो मैरिज होती है, मैरिज में बाजे गाजे के साथ, तैयारी के साथ आते हैं, तो that is that you are celebrating the new life, you know, that is going to happen. So that is why this ritual of saying thank you to God, thank you to universe about that this is beautiful day that has come as a marriage, you know. और तभी आप उस दिन खूब बाजे गाजे and then you know घोड़ी के साथ सबके साथ उसको welcome करते हो. And then after marriage when the पंडित जी declares yes कि अब शादी हो गई है, then उसके बाद बाकी वो ritual होते हैं. So then again you say thank you to everybody. So अपना कुछ भी dream है वो शुरुआत होने से पहले you will say thank you, and you will write down your statement, and then again you will say thank you. Yes.
Through the act of being sincerely grateful for receiving your desire beforehand, you immediately form an image in your mind that you have it. You feel as though you have it, and you are fulfilling your part. If you continue to hold to that image and feeling, you will magically receive your desire. You won't know how you will receive it, and it is not your job to figure it out. You don't try to figure out how gravity is going to keep you on the ground when you go for a walk, do you? You trust and know that when you go for a walk, the law of gravity will keep you firmly on the ground. Likewise, you must trust and know that when you are grateful for what you want will be magically moved to you because it is the law of the universe.
Yes, it is the law of the universe कि आपको ये सोचना नहीं है कि वो कैसे आएगा, वो आपके पास आएगा, that is for sure. Keep your dreams on, keep writing whatever the way I have told you. वो कैसे आएगा उसको सोचना छोड़ दो, आपको क्या चाहिए और क्यों चाहिए बस वो याद रखो. हाउ को कुछ सोचने की जरूरत नहीं है.
What do you want? What do you most want right now? At the beginning of this book, I asked you to get really clear about what you want in every area of your life. If you didn't do that earlier, now is the time to do it. Go to the list you created now and choose your top 10 desires for this magical practice. You can select 10 desires from different areas of your life, such as money, health, home, and relationships. Or you might want to choose 10 desires in one area you really want to change, such as work or success. Be very clear and specific about what you want the most, what you most want, so that you can see the changes magically happen from this practice. Imagine you are putting in a magic order with the universe for your top 10 desires, because in truth, by using the law of attraction, that's exactly what you are doing. Sit down at a computer or with a pen and journal and create separate list of your top 10 desires in the following way, as though you have received them. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Dash and fill in the blank with your desire as though you have received it.
Now you
Okay, this
already
is
know,
where you have to
I've
fill in.
already told you how to do it, you know. आपने जब भी कोई डिजायर लिखनी है, जो आपने ड्रीम लिखे हुए हैं, उसको लिखना ही ऐसे है, थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू, आई एम सो ब्लेस्ड एंड ग्रेटफुल टू यूनिवर्स और गॉड that this thing has happened, that I am earning 10 lakhs a month regularly. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Or you can say thank you, thank you, thank you for to the God and the universe for the highest marks I have got in my exams. आप ऐसे लिखोगे which has already happened, present tense में लिखोगे, this is happening, you know, that way.
मैम ये इसमें लिखा हुआ है कंप्यूटर पे भी, तो कंप्यूटर पे जैसे मैं कर रही थी वैसे ही कर लूं, वैसे डायरी मैंने बना ली है, बट इफ यू से सो,
हाँ, that वो इम्पैक्ट नहीं आता आपको, इसलिए मैंने स्पेसिफिकली बोला है येलो
ठीक है
विद रेड,
हाँ,
उसकी
हाँ।
मैनिफेस्टेशन फास्टर होती है रादर देन दिस.
ठीक है मैम, ठीक है, डन.
Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the reason of why you are thankful. And fill in the blank with your desire as though you have received it. For example, thank you, thank you, thank you for the high marks in my exam results, which got me into the exact college I wanted. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the great news that we are having a baby. Thank you, thank you, thank you for our dream home, which has everything we wanted it to have down to the last detail. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the amazing phone call with my dad that has improved our relationship. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the medical results that show I'm all clear and healthy again. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the unexpected money I received, which is the exact amount I needed for my European trip. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the doubling of our sales figures this month. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the ideas that won us our biggest client yet. Thank you, thank you, thank you for my perfect partner. Thank you, thank you, thank you for how easy and effortless our move was. Writing thank you 3 times in a row is a powerful thing to do because it prevents you from throwing the words away and increases your focus of gratitude. Saying thank you 3 times is also a magic formula because it is the mathematical number of all new creation in the universe. For example, it takes 1 male and 1 female to create a baby. The male, female, and the baby, total 3, completing a new creation. The same rule of 3 applies to the creation of everything in the universe, including the creation of your desires. And so, when you say thank you 3 times in a row, you are using the magic number of creation and the secret magic formula. The second step of make all your wishes come true involves saturating your desires with even more gratitude. You can complete the second step at any time during the day. Today, either at the same time as listing your top 10 desires or intermittently throughout the day. To saturate each of your desires with gratitude's magical power, begin with the first desire on your list and using your imagination mentally answer the following questions as though you have received your desire. What emotions did you feel when you received the desire? Who was the first person you told when you received your desire? And how did you tell them? What is the first great thing you did when you received your desire? Include as much detail as you can in your mind. Finally, reread each desire and really emphasize the magic words thank you so that you feel them as much as you can. Move on to the second desire on your list and follow the same steps with each desire until you have completed all 10 desires. Spend at least 1 minute on each desire.
Now what you have to do, whatever desire you have, आपने उसमें 3 चीजें बतानी है उनको. 3 चीजें क्या? सबसे पहले आपका वो डिजायर फुलफिल हो गया, वो ड्रीम फुलफिल हो गया, आपके क्या इमोशंस है, वो आपके मन में क्या आ रहा है कि क्या हुआ, आप क्या फील कर रहे हो, that you are on top of the world, अरे wow I have achieved it, wow, मतलब कुछ क्या करने का मन कर रहा है. See the emotions that you have. Second thing, किसके पास सबसे पहले आप फोन करोगे, किसके पास दौड़ के आप जाओगे, किसको सबसे पहले हक करोगे, मतलब यू हैव टू थिंक दैट. एंड देन क्या उसके बाद सबसे पहला क्या, मतलब आपको जब वो रिसीव हो गया तो उसके बाद आप क्या करोगे, क्या आएगा आपके माइंड में कि मुझे अब क्या करना चाहिए. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट ग्रेट थिंग यू डिड व्हेन यू रिसीव्ड योर डिजायर. तो आपने मतलब आपने विजुअलाइज ये करना है कि आपकी डिजायर हो गई, आपको डिजायर वो रिजल्ट आ गया, अब आप क्या करोगे. जैसे क्रिकेट में उसने इतना एक पूरी सेंचुरी बना दी या उसने पूरा वो कर दिया, मैच जीत लिया, तो वो एक दूसरे को हक करते हैं, जंप करते हैं, डांस करते हैं, नाचते हैं, गाते हैं. आप क्या करोगे और कैसे इमोशंस होगी आपकी, क्या होगा आप जब. रिमेंबर, everything is vibrations, everything is emotion. When you are in that vibrational mode, वो जो एक 104.8 का जो एक फ्रीक्वेंसी होती है, जब वो FM चलता है तो गाना आता है. जब आपकी बॉडी की फ्रीक्वेंसी, आपकी सेंसेस की फ्रीक्वेंसी इस डिजायर से मैच हो जाएगी, इट विल बी मैनिफेस्टेड. दिस इज हाउ the manifestation takes place. It's all about energy. It's all about the frequencies that you create. That is why I tell you, please be in the highest frequency which comes from love and gratitude. इसलिए हम कहते हैं, और जब आप डिप्रेशन में चले जाते हो, आप गुस्सा करते हो, आप फियर में चले जाते हो, तो आपकी वाइब्रेशन लेवल लो हो जाती है, तो आप अपने ड्रीम से दूर जाते हैं. तो अब आपका एक फाउंडेशन बन चुका है, यू आर एट दैट लेवल, यू कैन एक्चुअली स्टार्ट मैनिफेस्टिंग बिकॉज योर वाइब्रेशन लेवल इज हाई एज यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग ग्रैटिट्यूड फ्रॉम सो मेनी डेज. यस.
Move on to the second desire on your list and follow the same steps with each desire until you have completed all 10 desires. Spend at least 1 minute on each desire. If you want to do something that's really powerful and a lot of fun, you can also create a magic board where you attach pictures of your desires. Cut out the pictures and attach them to a board that's in place where you will see it often. Place the magic words thank you, thank you, thank you in bold letters on your magic board. Or you can use your refrigerator as your magic board. If you have a family, you can create a magic board as a family project because children love it. Imagine that your magic board is truly magical and that whatever you place a picture of on your board is instantly being moved towards you. Your continued gratitude for it will magnetize it all the way into your life. Magic practice number 13. Make all your wishes come true. First one, count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful for. Reread your list and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you. And feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Second step, sit down at a computer or with a pen and a journal and list your top 10 desires. Write thank you 3 times before each one, as though you have already received it. For example, thank you, thank you, thank you for what desire you have received and why you are thankful for. Using your imagination, Answer the following questions in your mind as though you have received each of your 10 desires. What emotions did you feel when you received your desire? Who was the first person you told when you received your desire, and how did you tell them? What is the first great thing you did when you received your desire? Include as much detail as you can in your mind. Fourth step. Finally, reread the sentence listing your desire and really emphasize the magic words thank you so that you feel them as much as you can. Next, if you like, create a magic board. Cut out pictures and attach them to your magic board and put it in a place you see often. Title the board with thank you, thank you, thank you in bold letters across the top. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, Tejaswini, for reading beautifully this chapter. This is such an amazing chapter, you know, that is very important.
Yes, thank you so much, each of you. Thank you, Monica ma'am.
Okay, so now let us come back. Let me show you one video.
Ma'am, I have a question. जो ये 3 questions हैं, like what emotion did you feel when you received your desire, right? तो ये हमने सिर्फ visualize करने हैं ना, कि इसको जब हम वो लिख रहे हैं अपनी, उसके साथ इसको लिखना भी है.
देखो, आपने एक ड्रीम लिस्ट बनाई हुई है
जी.
अब आपने जो ड्रीम लिस्ट बनाई है, पहला ड्रीम आपने पढ़ा, ठीक है?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी.
आंख बंद करना है, उसको भी है कि वो ड्रीम हो गया, यूनिवर्स ने दिया आपको ड्रीम. जब वो दे दिया तो क्या करोगे आप कैसे फील करोगे? आप डांस करोगे, नाचते हुए जाओगे, क्या होगा? जैसे मैंने अपना एक ड्रीम मैंने जो लिखा है, मैंने कहा मैं अपने कमरे में, जैसे मुझे पता चला, मैं दौड़े दौड़े फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे जाऊंगी, मेरे बेटे का कमरा है, उसको हक करूंगी, या परी को हक करूंगी, उसको मैं बताऊंगी कि ये हो गया है, ये देखो ऐसे ऐसे है, उसको हक करूंगी, और उसका सबसे पहले काम क्या करूंगी? सबसे पहले मैं अपने बेटे के लिए ये लूंगी. एंड वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, यू नो, जब आप कोई चीज मैनिफेस्ट करते हो, किसी भी, चाहे कोई भी काम कर रहे, हम हमेशा ये जब कहते हैं, हम टीचर्स को भी यही कहते हैं, हर जगह यही बात करते हैं, व्हेन यू अप्लाई योर 3H, दैट इज द बेस्ट थिंग दैट यू कैन डू टू योर ड्रीम्स, और टू डू व्हाट यू वांट टू डू एनी वर्क. कोई भी काम करना, 3H होने बहुत जरूरी है. आपका हेड, आपका हार्ट और आपका हैंड. ठीक है?
राइट मैम.
मतलब जो आपने, उसका क्या प्लानिंग है, उसकी क्या प्लानिंग है, उसका हार्ट मीन्स तो आपका ग्रेटिट्यूड होना बहुत जरूरी है.
Ma'am, please come again. There was some voice breaking. I could not hear. Please go through again, ma'am.
Okay, not a problem. All of you, everybody is distracted, you know. वो थोड़ा सा मुश्किल लगा था सबके लिए.
Ma'am, Samidha here.
क्या बच्चे बोल?
Yes, I wanted to show you the diary which I made today. Just prepared with my hands.
Okay, I'll share the screen with you. You can show it to everyone so everybody can see. Okay, just give me 2 minutes, please.
Okay.
Let me finish it. So when I say when you really want to do any work, मतलब मैं कह रही हूँ कोई भी काम, अगर आपने बेटे के साथ बैठे हो, उसके साथ काम कर रहे हो, आप अपना बिजनेस कर रहे हो, आप कुछ भी कर रहे हो, you have to use 3H. 3H का मतलब होता है, first H is your head, that is the complete planning what you are going to do. तो पूरी प्लानिंग होनी आपके पास बहुत जरूरी है हर चीज की. That is why when you are writing the dream, why you want this much amount, so you should have written these things कि ये आएगा तो मैं ये करूंगा. तो यूनिवर्स भी पूछेगा, हाँ भाई, जब अपने फादर से भी कुछ मांगते हो तो फादर भी ये कहते हैं ना, क्यों चाहिए भी तेरे को इतने पैसे, क्या चाहिए तेरे को, क्या करना है. तो इफ यू हैव दोस थिंग्स इन योर हैंड, you have the proof. Yes, तो यूनिवर्स को लगता है हाँ भाई ठीक है, इसका पूरा प्लान है. The head is used. Then hand means you have to do lots of actions for doing those things, you know. And heart is with full of gratitude that you have to show. जब आप अपने सेंसेस से, आपकी सेंसेस इतने स्ट्रांग हैं कि आपकी हर मैनिफेस्टेशन में वो आपके साथ होंगे। जब आप सारी सेंसेस को यूज करके आप कुछ ड्रीम करते हो, इट विल बी मैनिफेस्टेड वेरी फास्ट। सेंसेस का मतलब है विजुअलाइज करना, आंख से विजुअलाइज करना, देख के पढ़ते भी हो, मुंह से बोलते भी हो, कानों से सुनते भी हो, हाथ से एक्शंस भी करते हो और दिल से ग्रैटिट्यूड करते हो। जब वो सारे से आपके सेंसेस आपके साथ होते हैं तो आपका ड्रीम कहीं नहीं जाएगा, कहीं नहीं जाएगा। जितना मर्जी बड़े से बड़ा ड्रीम हो, it will be manifested only when you do it in a right way. The statement that you have written has to be correct, and what you are visualizing has to be very, very, very intense of visualization. You show gratitude before you receive them. That means every dream has to start with thank you, thank you, thank you. ठीक है? And then you visualize, वो image बना लो। अच्छा, मैं एक चीज और बहुत अच्छी शेयर करूंगी। जब मेरा बेटा 18 इयर्स का था तो तब मैंने लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन का कुछ वो किया था, तो मैं उससे शेयर करती रहती थी। तो उसने क्या किया, मुझे नहीं पता था कि क्या हुआ, बट उसने मुझे अपने 18th बर्थडे पे, मैं उसके कमरे में गई, उसको हक करने गई, उसको क्या प्यार करने गई। तो रात को जब हम 18th बर्थडे हमने मनाया था, तो सब मेरे पेरेंट्स, एवरीबडी वाज देयर, रात को 12-1 बजे से हम अपने कमरे में पहुंचे, तो ही हग्ड मी एंड ही सेड मम्मा सी दिस। और मैंने देखा उसने एक अपना बोर्ड बना रखा था। देयर वाज नो पिक्चर, नथिंग, सिर्फ उस बोर्ड पे येलो कलर की पर्ची लगी हुई थी, क्लिप के साथ, पिन के साथ, पिन बोर्ड के साथ, और उसमें 10 चीजें लिखी हुई थी। एंड बिलीव मी, he got all 10 things whichever was written on the list, all 10 things, and the tear was in his eyes. मुझे भी एकदम से हो गया, मैंने कहा यार मैंने नहीं मैनिफेस्ट किया, मेरे बच्चे ने कर लिया। because whenever he used to get up, he used to see those things, और उसने सिर्फ नाम लिखे हुए थे, और नाम के साथ उसको एक एक चीज का पता था कि मुझे कैमरा लेना है तो DSLR SLR वाला लेना है, मुझे लैपटॉप लेना है तो मैंने लैपटॉप ले गया। माय हस्बैंड एंड माय सिस्टर दे गिव हिम अ कार। किसी ख्वाबों ख्यालों में कार का नहीं था कि उसको हम देंगे, बट हाउ इट हैपेंड वी डोंट नो, ही अट्रैक्टेड इट। 10 चीजें 18th बर्थडे पे ही गॉट इट, एंड दिस ऑल मैनिफेस्टेड इन 8 months, 6-8 महीने, पता नहीं कब, उसने, मुझे नहीं पता उसने कब लिखा था। और वो ऐसी राइटिंग में लिखा था, मम्मा ये देखो, ये पर्ची देखिए, आपने जब मेरे को बताया ना, मैंने तब लिखा था। और मैं रोज जब उसको देखता था, ये मेरे को ऐसा कैमरा चाहिए, और मैगजीन्स भी उसकी मोबाइल्स वाली होती थी कि ऐसे ये ऐसे ये ऐसे ये ऐसे। I was amazed. So that is why I told you, you write it on a yellow paper with a red pen, it is faster. It is faster. Yellow is a place where the manifesting, जो आप ये देखोगे कि आप पंडित लोग होते हैं, ये सब लोग क्यों ऑरेंज कपड़े पहनते हैं, गोल्डन कपड़े पहनते हैं, because it is a spiritual light that is there, so that is why yellow is a form of a spiritual thing, and when you, red is the power which helps in manifestations. That is why yellow and red की combination बहुत अच्छा है। Okay, then very very important, अब कहते हैं मैम हम कैसे कर लें, fake it till you make it। फेक करो, फेंकते जाओ, फेंकते जाओ। आप ये बताओ, डॉन क्या कहता था? डॉन का एक डायलॉग बहुत पर्टिकुलर था, 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस,
डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन।
When he has wired this statement in his mind, तो उसको कोई नहीं पकड़ सका। So fake it, fake it, fake it, fake it, fake it till you make it। तब तक उसको देखते रहो जब तक कि वो सच ना हो जाए, तब तक उसको देखते रहो जब तक कि सच ना हो जाए। वही कहते हैं ना, खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे, बता तेरी रजा क्या है। अपने आप को इतना रेस करो, इतना शुक्राना दो भगवान को, इतना वो करेगा, भाई तू बता मुझे, तेरे को क्या चाहिए, मैं तो जो चाहिए तो पहले बोले। So fake it till you make it, and every time say thank you, thank you, thank you। That is the major power miracle जो कर सकता है, वो thank you कर सकता है। हर चीज को थैंक यू, हर चीज का शुक्राना, जो आपकी लाइफ में आ रहा है, चाहे वो ठीक है चाहे वो गलत है, उसका शुक्राना, उसका हर तरह से शुक्राना, नो मैटर व्हाट इट इज। एंड देन जब आपका वो मैनिफेस्ट उसको, और आपने विजुअलाइज कैसे करना है, व्हाट इमोशंस, क्या आपके माइंड में क्या इमोशंस हो, अगर आपको मिल गई कोई चीज तो क्या करोगे, तुम नाचोगे, यस आई डिड इट, मैंने ये किया, मैंने, सो दिस इज द फीलिंग्स दैट यू हैव, वो सोचो कि हो गया है। और किसको सबसे पहले जाके बताओगे, इधर योर वाइफ और योर ब्रदर और योर हस्बैंड और whosoever it is, तो उस किसको जाके बताओगे, हक करोगे, कैसे करोगे, यू हैव टू क्रिएट दैट सीन, वो आपको ड्रीम क्रिएट करना है, एक एक चीज, उसने क्या पहना होगा, कौन से कलर के कपड़े होंगे, वो सीन भी दिखना चाहिए आपको, कौन सा टेबल चेयर, मतलब इट इज लाइक अ मूवी दैट यू हैव टू क्रिएट इट इन योर माइंड। एंड देन उसके बाद जब आपको मिलेगा तो सबसे पहले क्या करोगे उसका, these are the few things that you need to keep in mind and keep on visualizing, keep on visualizing। कुछ नहीं करना, आपको रात को सोने से पहले आधा घंटा यही तो करना, आधा घंटा भी नहीं, इट टेक हार्डली 2 to 3 minutes। अगर आपके मेजर 3 पहले जो बहुत प्रायोरिटी बेसिस पे हैं उनके ऊपर काम करो, फिर उसके बाद देन स्लोली एंड स्टेडीली यू कैन गो फॉर अदर्स। ओके, हाँ, थैंक यू विक्रम फॉर शेयरिंग दिस ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चर, इट इज सच अ ब्यूटीफुल पिक्चर इट इज, कि आपके ड्रीम्स के बीच में ये सब कुछ आएगा, सब कुछ आएगा, ईगो भी आएगी, पेसिमिस्ट भी आएंगे, रिजेक्शंस भी आएंगे, किसी ने कुछ कह दिया, रिलेटिव्स भी आएंगे, किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया, ये सब कुछ आएगा, ये लेके चलो। बट अगर आपकी डिटर्मिनेशन है, अगर आप स्ट्रांग हो, तो यू विल नॉट लुक इनटू दिस, योर फोकस इज दैट। आपको पता है जब गुरु आचार्य वो धनुष की
द्रोणाचार्य,
हाँ द्रोणाचार्य जी जब धनुष विद्या सिखा रहे थे, तो वो सारे कौरव भी बैठे थे और पांडव भी बैठे थे। उन्होंने सबसे पूछा तुमको क्या दिख रहा है, तुमको क्या, वो कह रहा है कि मेरे को तो पेड़ दिख रहा है, पेड़ के ऊपर चिड़िया दिख रही है, चिड़िया के पंख ये कलर के हैं, वो बीक दिख रही है। उसके फिर युधिष्ठिर से पूछा तुमको क्या दिख रहा है, कहता मैं देखने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, पहले मैं देखूंगा उसके बाद मैं बताऊंगा। उसके बाद जब सबसे पूछने के बाद तब उन्होंने पूछा अर्जुन से, अर्जुन तुमको क्या दिख रहा है, तो कहने मुझे सिर्फ आंख दिख रही है और आंख के अंदर एक बिंदु दिख रहा है बस। So it is you who has to see Bindu only, your dream. That's it. Nothing else. Okay. Now, again, I'm showing this tree because you have to remain yourself in positive energy. आपने अगर इस तरफ चले गए जहां ईगो, वायलेंट, लोनलीनेस, फेक, होपलेस, प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन, हेट, अगर आप इस साइड में चले गए पेड़ के, तो आपकी एनर्जी डाउन हो जाएगी, तो मैनिफेस्टेशन से दूर चले जाओगे। यू कीप योरसेल्फ हियर व्हेन यू आर अलाइव, यू आर एनर्जेटिक, यू आर सो हैप्पी, यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट, यू आर सपोर्टिव, यू आर क्रिएटिव, प्रोएक्टिव, एफिशिएंट, हैप्पी, फुल ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड। और सबसे हाईएस्ट मोड पॉजिटिव एनर्जी का है लव। Keep loving yourself, show gratitude to people। ये दो चीजें हैं जो आपको सबसे ऊपर हाई वाइब्रेशन लेवल पे लेके चलती है। तो कीप मेक श्योर दैट यू आर एट द हाई वाइब्रेशन लेवल। ग्रेट। तो एंड प्लीज स्टॉप कंप्लेनिंग अबाउट द सर्कमस्टांसेस। आएंगे, सब आएंगे, जैसे जैसे आप थोड़ा रेज करोगे, कभी कुछ आएगा, कोई कुछ आएगा, कोई क्रिटिसाइज करेगा, कुछ करेगा, सब कुछ आएगा, बट आप अपने पे काम करते रहो। स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन योर एटीट्यूड। बाकी कोई कुछ भी करता रहे, कुछ भी होता रहे, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, बट आपका नहीं जाना चाहिए। ओके, लेट मी शो यू वन मोर वीडियो विच इज लाइक सो अमेजिंग, कि आपको अपने आप को स्टेप बाय स्टेप कैसे चलाना है। मुझे मालूम है कि एक बारी में प्रैक्टिस नहीं होती है, बट यू नीड फ्यू थिंग्स। सो सच अ ब्यूटिफुल strategy of going ahead. So let me share that. थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देखना. This is really beautiful. I loved it.
I recently read the book One Small Step Can Change Your Life by Robert Maurer. One day, author Robert Maurer saw an ad for a Lexus automobile. It detailed the numerous quality awards it had won over the past decade. It got him thinking, how is this Japanese car manufacturer able to produce such high quality products so consistently? To find the answer, he had to go back to the late 1940s. A few years after World War II ended, an American named Edward Deming came to Japan to help the Japanese rebuild their manufacturing facilities. Dr. Deming was largely responsible for the improvements in American manufacturing during World War II, so the Japanese were eager to hear what he had to say. Deming told the Japanese factory workers that if they wanted to produce great products, they had to just ask themselves one thing every day. What extremely small step can I take to improve the process or product? The Japanese bought into Deming's philosophy, and they even gave it a name, Kaizen. Through the application of Kaizen, Japan would rise up from the rubble of World War II and become a manufacturing superpower by the end of the 20th century. Author Robert Maurer is a clinical psychologist at UCLA, and he wondered if Kaizen could be as effective in transforming people's lives as it had been in transforming the Japanese manufacturing industry. To test his hypothesis, he started asking his patients to take really small steps towards a significant change they wanted to make. Steps that seemed embarrassing. Instead of encouraging a client to leave an unsatisfying career, he would get them to spend a few seconds each day imagining the details of a dream job. Instead of telling a client to go to the gym and exercise for 30 minutes, he would tell them to march in front of the TV during a commercial for 1 minute. If a patient wanted to cut out caffeine from their diet, he would have them take one less sip a day. His patients couldn't find an excuse to not take the steps because they required hardly no effort at all. Over time, he saw that these small steps led to shockingly big changes. His patients were in careers they loved, they exercised regularly, and they cut out addictive foods from their diet. Robert's prescription for small changes is the exact opposite of what we hear from almost every motivational YouTube video or motivational speaker. Most inspirational talks proclaim that if we want to achieve great things, we have to take big, bold steps. But taking big steps often backfires because although it may seem exciting in the moment, that excitement quickly wears off and we are just left with fear. A fear of uncertainty and a fear of failure. If we drop out of college to start a business, we quickly realize how much work it is to start a business, and fear, stress, and anxiety set in. When our brains detect these emotions, a region of the brain called the amygdala activates our fight or flight response. When our fight or flight response is activated, we stop thinking rationally about long-term goals and look for the quickest way to relieve the feelings of stress, anxiety, and fear. Thousands of years ago, that meant running away from a tiger. But today, it usually means distracting ourselves with comfort coping activities. We can avoid the fear of having people reject our next business product by procrastinating and endlessly checking Facebook. We can avoid the fear of going to the gym and looking inferior to everyone else by curling up on the couch with a bowl of ice cream and watch TV. So why is Kaizen such an effective strategy for change? Well, when we use Kaizen, when we take embarrassingly small steps towards a goal, we tippy-toe past the amygdala's fear detection system and avoid activating our fight or flight response. This removes the urge to distract ourselves and allows us to take action without the fear of failure. The more action we take, the quicker we lay the foundation for new positive habits. Robert says that with Kaizen, your resistance to change begins to weaken. Where once you may have been daunted by change, your new mental software will have you moving towards your ultimate goal at a pace that may well exceed your expectations. If you would like to experience the extraordinary power of Kaizen, here are 2 counterintuitive ways to get started. First, start by asking smaller questions. When Michael Ondaatje, award-winning author of The English Patient, wants to create a compelling character for his new book, he doesn't think, how can I create a fascinating character that my readers will love? He simply thinks of a scene, like a plane crash, and asks himself a few small and specific questions, like, who is the man in the plane? Why is he there? Why does he crash? These questions are small and playful. The mind has fun coming up with answers to these types of questions. When I want to read a new book in hopes of learning something to improve my life, I start by asking myself, what are some interesting chapter titles in this book? After opening the book and finding one interesting chapter title, I ask myself, what's one interesting story or example in this chapter? Soon I find a story, and that leads to more questions. Eventually I get through an entire book, but rarely in a sequential order. Notice how this is different than if I ask myself, how can I read this entire book and improve my life? It would seem like a big undertaking, and I would put it off until I had more time or I felt like doing it. So the next time you find yourself asking big questions and feeling anxious, shrink the question. Ask questions like, what's the very next thing? Or what's just one thing I can do to get started? The second way to start adopting a Kaizen mindset is to start focusing on smaller rewards. In the book, Robert talks about a businessman named Jack Stupp, who had developed severe rheumatoid arthritis and was hospitalized with over 20 swollen joints. His doctors advised him to avoid exercise at all times. But Jack was stubborn, and he started taking small steps by giving himself small rewards along the way. Every morning he told himself that all he had to do was get out of bed. When he got out of bed and stood upright, he would give himself a short and sincere compliment, like, "Attaboy, Jack." Then he'd walk down the street to the gym by focusing on having an enjoyable conversation with the staff there. Once on the treadmill, Jack started by walking for just 2 minutes and rewarded himself with more praise and encouragement. Robert says that by the time he met Jack, he was in his 70s and he had won the Mr. World bodybuilding contest for his age division. Wow. I've learned that using small rewards works very well when running a marathon. Instead of focusing on the satisfaction of finishing a marathon, I focus on a small reward every mile by getting to listen to one of my favorite songs. By asking small questions and using small rewards that seem silly in the moment, you're actually implementing a brilliant strategy to achieve large goals. That was the core message that I gathered from Robert's book. Robert provides many more Kaizen strategies that you can use to make change in your life. I highly recommend reading it. If you would like a one-page PDF summary of insights that I gathered from this book, just click the link below and I'd be happy to email it to you.
Thank you so much. So I hope this is beneficial for each one of you, because ekdam se sab kuch nahi start hota. You can slowly and steadily start with it. Anybody has to share anything on this?
Ma'am, Vikram.
Yes, Vikram.
Can I share?
Yeah, please.
Ma'am, first of all, you made this thing very clear that people who want to make big impact have to take bold steps. So I think this was a myth till 5 minutes back. Now, spending shorter time on small goals with some small reward can also create a big impact. So
Yeah.
this is what the learning has come out of this.
Yes.
That small things can also make big impact.
आप जब सोचोगे और अगर रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा, then you get demotivated.
Hello.
छोटा स्टेप और slowly and steadily, step by step, अगर आप चलोगे, you will be achieving that. So when you have to achieve, इसके लिए ये काइजन इसलिए, kai means change and zen means wisdom. So he is saying कि अगर आप लंबे रेस का घोड़ा चलना चाहते हो तो slowly चलो, so that there is encouragement and enthusiasm is there. एकदम से आप सब कुछ करोगे वो पॉसिबल नहीं है. बोल्ड स्टेप में इसलिए कह रही थी, बोल्ड स्टेप में कह रही हूँ ग्रैटिट्यूड में, उसमें कुछ नहीं करना, बट जो ये हैबिट्स होते, बेसिकली दिस व्हाई आई हैव शोन यू दिस, व्हेन यू वांट टू चेंज योर हैबिट्स कि हम सुबह 1 घंटा जल्दी शुरू करें उठना या समथिंग ऑफ दैट काइंड, लेट अस स्टार्ट इंस्टेड ऑफ 3:30 एकदम से उठने से बेटर है आप आधा घंटा पहले उठो, फिर थोड़ा सा उससे 15 मिनट और पहले कर दो, फिर उससे थोड़ा 15 मिनट और. When you have to change your habits, I'm not talking about the steps that you're going to take for the dreams के लिए तो वो steps लोगे, but when you have to inculcate your habits to, you know, create a self discipline in you, this is how you have to go ahead with.
Got it, ma'am. Thank you.
Anybody else would like to share anything?
Yeah, Monica, I just want to share one thing.
Yeah.
I have a son, and recently he's studying in US. He's in 4th year now, and he plays squash When he started it when he was 9 years old.
Wow.
And before that, he was into skating, and he won, national at national level, and he won many, these uh,
All the awards you know.
yeah, awards, many awards, and many many things, right?
Okay.
And after that, he switched over to this squash thing. And since 9 he was playing. This is I'm telling कि slow and steadily जैसे हम जाते हैं चीजें, they really comes out when you are very consistent. And he played, and after that when he was in 11th class, and then we came to know that with this squash thing he can get the sponsorship, scholarship, not the sponsorship, he can got the scholarship in college and all.
Okay.
Then before that we didn't knew anything about it, and he was passionate about playing, and he was playing at a very great level, and he played for the country also. And then when he was in 12th, we started trying from the very scratch. And my husband, like, he started talking with different people, how to get this scholarship, how to get into the colleges and all. And we searched, we came to know about the Ivy colleges in US. And then one of the person, he was in India only, and he charged almost for taking the initiative and guiding, he takes almost 1.5 to 2 lakhs approximately. But as law of attraction, ये भी कह सकते हैं, or maybe we were so into it. And when I came to know it, I just wanted to he should get admission in a good college, the best college, not the good college, the best college. And then I started giving positive thinking and started working. Before that, our journey was very जो भी बहुत we took lot of it took lot of hard work and our patience. We have to leave many things because of his coaching and all. We have to spend lot into it for his coachings, because it takes a lot. So that is a different journey. But uske baad jab when it became my dream कि he should get into the best college, and we started searching and contacting different people from this field. And then the person I'm talking about, he used to charge for 1.5 or 2 lakhs to थोड़ा सा help करने के लिए, essays writing, and there's a lot of things. बहुत सारे you have to fill so many form, उसके अंदर मतलब 25-30 फॉर्म भरने होते हैं, essays लिखने होते हैं, lengthy essays and all. So he used to help in that. So with law of attraction, maybe you can say, इसने हमको free of cost he helped us. And in getting the admission also, and in writing essays and all. And he make my son as a brand ambassador of his company.
Wow.
And and he got the scholarship also. My son, he's a very bright student, despite playing squash with his studies and all. Since he was a child, I can see he was a best qualities one can have or one can think of. कि मतलब सब चाहेंगे कि ऐसा बेटा मिले. And I have that son. And he was very studious, or he got, despite playing with the squash, he got 93% marks.
Wow.
He was in commerce side, and he got 93% marks, and he was doing very great in his squash thing. And he got the scholarship, 95% scholarship.
Wow.
in US. He's in Philly. He's into Penn University,
Okay.
and now, matlab with as I was in Reiki also, I have crystal grid, and I put all my wishes into that, and literally I was doing with that thing also, with the positive mind, and it really came true. Now he's in fourth year. This is the last year, and his this year he became the Scotch captain also, and he he's being awarded with all American some जो इनका एक वो रहता है some award, वो, and he's been selected with 2-3 societies. They have societies and clubs which different students and the management, the seniors, how can I tell, they recommend the people, they recommend the student, and he's being recommended and he's being selected for that.
Very nice.
So this is what, like, agar if you have the dream, and if you work for it, really work hard for it, I think, yeah, मेरे साथ तो हुआ है, it really happened.
Very nice.
ये
Very
हुआ
nice.
है.
Thank you, Vimi. आपने share किया so that it is inspiration for everybody, because dream is nothing but a passion. If
Right.
you really want something, you have to pay for it. Pay in the sense you have to grab it no matter what. बाकी सब जाए दुनिया भाड़ में, मुझे तो ये चाहिए और बस चाहिए. That's it.
And one more thing, people every year people go to vacations and all. When he started into the sports and all, we don't go for the vacation because especially in this Scotch thing, it's so expensive, and secondly, जो weekends होते थे, he had the classes twice a day, and he has to, after some time, he has to go for the gym also. So he has everything. So we can't afford to go for 2-3 days also. कि नहीं, he will miss the classes, or if we go, we enjoy. He will be here. So मतलब वो छोटी छोटी चीजें जो मतलब you can't say sacrifices, but what as a family we did as a united thing. हम नहीं गए कभी vacations.
Sacrifice, so if you are parent, just आपके parents ने आपके लिए कितना sacrifice है. बच्चों को be gratitude how they should learn to value you also, and you and it is not dream about something achieving. अब मैं आपको एक बात और बता दूं, सक्सेस की डेफिनेशन सिर्फ कुछ अचीव करके कहीं जाना वो चीज नहीं है. सक्सेस की डेफिनेशन है छोटी छोटी चीजें, फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना, एंजॉय करना, दैट इज आल्सो सक्सेस. अपने फैमिली रिलेशनशिप्स को अपने जॉयफुली करना, हैप्पीनेस में कन्वर्ट करना, दैट इज आल्सो सक्सेस. सो डोंट थिंक सक्सेस monetary terms, or say that success could be in relationship, the success could be in health, the success could be in your work, the success could be in business. So don't, इसलिए success का मतलब ये है वो ड्रीम जो आपके रिलेशनशिप में, वो ड्रीम जो आपके हेल्थ के लिए, वो ड्रीम जो आपके बिजनेस के लिए. So they three things are different, So you have to make sure that you are actually taking charge of it. Normally हम क्या करते हैं, अरे वो तो चेंज नहीं हो सकता, हमें रिलेशनशिप का कहना है, बट नहीं. आपका पीस ऑफ माइंड तभी रहेगा जब आपके रिलेशनशिप्स दे आर रियली साउंड एंड कंपैटिबल विद whom you are living, ठीक है. So just make sure that you are loving them, you are forgiving them, and every day new day is created by you. It's you who can create a new day, nobody else. Okay, so let us because it's high time.
That's fine, I'll ask you tomorrow.
Yeah. Please tell me.
Ma'am, I just wanted to
do this.
Yes, it is. Ma'am, so according to Kaizen strategy, we have to, if we have to create a habit or a discipline, then only we have to take smaller rewards.
Absolutely.
But for dreams, say example, like right now, as you were saying, like dream that you want to earn 10 lakhs per month. So shall I start with a smaller amount or not?
No. Go ahead with that. That is your dream. तो 10 लाख है, आपने कैसे आना है वो तो यूनिवर्स ने देखना है. Keep on taking action, and every day when you show gratitude, to the universe, you say every day new opportunities for the money coming to me is coming to me. New opportunities for earning money is coming to me. You just pray, keep on praying that. That's it. वो नहीं कम करना. How universe को देखने दो. That could be anything. Don't worry.
Thank you so much.
What comes your mind controls your life. So please have positive mind so that you have, your life is on the positive track, and keep showing gratitude to it. So this is a small ड्रीम के लिए ये माइंड मैप बनाया है, जैसे पर्सनालिटी, करियर, रिलेशनशिप, वेल्थ, क्या चाहते हो, फोटोग्राफ्स अपने सेव करो, उसको बोर्ड पे लगा सकते हो, बोर्ड पे लगाओ, ऐसे आप माइंड मैप बना सकते हो, ऐसे बनाओ, जैसे मर्जी बनाओ. इट्स अप टू यू हाउ यू क्रिएट योर लाइफ, दैट इज इन योर हैंड. रिलेशनशिप आपको कैसा चाहिए, उसकी पिक्चर्स इकट्ठी कर लो, पीपीटी पे बना सकते हो, आप वीडियो भी बना सकते हो, कुछ भी बना सकते हो, उनको मोबाइल पे सेव करो, कीप विजुअलाइजिंग इट. दिस इज आल्सो वन ऑफ द वे कि माइंड मैप बना के सामने लगा दिया, एवरी डे यू आर लुकिंग एट इट एंड इट इज हैपनिंग दैट वे. नाउ द एक्टिविटी अभी इतना टाइम नहीं है, बट देन आल्सो आई वुड लाइक ऑल ऑफ यू टू डू इज राइट डाउन योर 2 ड्रीम्स जो ऑलरेडी आप सोच के बैठे हुए हो. एक होना चाहिए रिलेशनशिप से कनेक्टेड, एक होना चाहिए आपके बिजनेस से कनेक्टेड. सो एंड यू हैव टू शो द ग्रैटिट्यूड, और वो आप अपने माइंड में लगा के देखो कि आप क्या करो. एक ही ड्रीम का कर लो. जस्ट टेक 1 मिनट एंड डू इट कि क्या इमोशंस, जब वो ड्रीम फुलफिल हो जाएगा, क्या इमोशंस होंगे, और किसके पास सबसे पहले भाग के जाओगे, और क्या करोगे उसको मिलने के बाद. इमीडिएटली डू दिस.
Madam, I have one more question.
Anji.
Generally, usually people say that you do not attract what you want, you attract who you are. So can you decode this with relation to gratitude, please?
You attract who you are.
Yes.
You are what your thoughts are. If your thoughts are connected to your dream, you are on the right track. If it is not connected to your dream, it is not on the right track.
Okay, thank you so much.
So this is the statement that you say, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm so blessed and grateful to God and universe that I'm earning 10 lakhs a month regularly. So this is the statement you say for the dream. Please write down when you have done the activity, please. It is done. Great. Done. So most of you have done. Great, great. So now the assignment for tomorrow is again 10 blessings. Make all your wishes come true. वो कैसे करोगे? आपने ड्रीम लिस्ट बनानी है, उसके अंदर थैंक यू करके पूरी लिस्ट को आपने विजुअलाइज करना है. पहला ड्रीम देखोगे, पहला ड्रीम पढ़ोगे, उसको पढ़ने के बाद आंख बंद करके उसको विजुअलाइज करना है कि आप कैसे उसको आपने अपनी खुशी जाहिर की, किसको सबसे पहले बताया, और आपने फिर उसके बाद क्या किया, उसका क्या किया आपने. So you have to write down for every dream that you have written. And if you can create vision board, that is the best way out that you can create. And with magic rock, रात को आपका पूरे दिन में से magic rock हम कैसे use करते हैं, कोई एक magic rock ले लोगे. Suppose one magic rock is this. आपने क्या करना है, you put it in your hand like this. पूरे दिन में सबसे best moment क्या था आपके पूरे दिन का, you will think of that moment and you will say thank you to God, thank you God, thank you universe for giving me that best moment. Thank you, thank you, thank you with all your emotions. with that intensity, you just say thank you. Thank you so much for, you know, we took little longer because thoda sa light ka bhi tha. I'm really thank you for your patience, and thank you for supporting me. Thank you for, you know, listening to me, and thank you for participating. And all of you, please go to channel Divine Blessings, subscribe it, like your videos, put on apna feedback video dal ke bhi wahan dal do. Please share it with your relatives so that you are also creating difference in people's life. Come on, please share the videos with the people. Link लो, share कर दो अपने friends के साथ, so that वो चलो आधे घंटे का भी देखेंगे ना, कुछ तो उनके दिमाग में जाएगा. At least they will start the showing gratitude to people. Please keep on sharing the things. Thank you.
Thank you, Didi.
Anybody has to ask.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank you,
you.
everyone.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. You take care. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.